In a vast desert, the wind and the sand were best friends. The wind loved to dance, swirling the sand into beautiful dunes. One day, the sand felt proud and said, "I shaped the desert." The wind chuckled, "Without me, you'd be flat and still." To prove a point, the wind stopped blowing. The sand lay motionless, realizing its mistake. A wise cactus whispered, "Humility is strength." The sand apologized, and the wind returned, creating even more stunning landscapes. The twist: the wind was a gentle spirit, teaching the sand the value of teamwork. Like, comment, and subscribe for more enchanting tales.